Upcycling is important and widely practiced at Schloss Stein Vocational School, turning old into new. Landwirt.com took a closer look today at all the things you can upcycle.
Landwirt.com, online marketplace for agriculture.
Here at the Schloss Stein St. Martin Vocational School, we currently look after around 150 students and are located here in Fähring. We have some special features at our school. On the one hand, our female students can train to become childcare workers and daycare providers. And we have our own kindergarten, where the students can also work with the children. Then, with us, there is the opportunity to train as a nursing assistant. We also have a cooperation partner for that. And we are a training center for the Southeast Styria region, and other vocational schools also send students to us. We are also an Erasmus Plus accredited school, so we have several European Union projects planned through 2027.
Upcycling is a big topic at school, and one night in the dorm we made a cooler bag together. We've kept making similar things in the sewing workshop.
Our cooler bags are made from disposable cooler bags that you can get at the supermarket, and simply from fabric that you no longer use, so the stuff you didn't need anymore. The cooler bags are made like this. First, you cut everything out, then you sew the inner fabric first and then the outer part, and then you sew them together. And with a jar lid closure, you can make it so that you can take it anywhere.
Except for the cooler bags. Let's make one out of old jeans fabric, feather bows or handbags, or out of t-shirts, hairbands.
At school, we decided to recycle old materials for our garden vegetables and herbs. For example, we made shelves for our lettuce out of old rulers where we planted them. And from the pallets, we made herb pallets where we planted the herbs. We also made seating out of the pallets, which we placed around the fire pit where the boarding students can sit in the evening. And just for fun, we also made a flower stand for flowers out of old jeans.
Last school year, we renovated and redesigned our library. And as part of this redesign, we also sorted out the old books, the books in the old spelling. In Stockholm, I then found a good idea for what we could do with them, because throwing them away really isn't what we want. And then we implemented this model or idea and set up book tables here with our students. Is that right? And we also wanted to apply this idea of upcycling to the furniture in the library. The 45-year-old furniture was sanded down and repainted, and now it really looks like new furniture.